What you have tuned in for is another Andre Nguyen exposed.
In the realm of credit repair, one of the most damaging tactics employed by fraudulent companies is the promise of unrealistic guarantees. For consumers, these enticing offers can lead to devastating consequences that extend far beyond mere financial loss. Picture a consumer overwhelmed by debt and a low credit score, seeking a lifeline. They encounter a credit repair company that boldly claims it can increase their score by a specific number of points within a short time frame, no matter the circumstances. This promise of guaranteed results preys on their desperation, encouraging them to sign up without fully understanding the implications. However, the truth is stark. No legitimate credit repair service can guarantee a specific outcome. Credit scores are influenced by a complex array of factors, and attempting to make sweeping changes often leads to disillusionment. When consumers pay for these services, they may find themselves disappointed as the promised results fail to materialize, leaving them feeling cheated and frustrated. Moreover, the emotional toll can be significant. Consumers who believe in these guarantees often experience increased anxiety and a sense of betrayal when reality sets in. They may even delay seeking legitimate help, convinced that they can resolve their issues through quick fixes that simply do not exist. In the end, these unrealistic guarantees not only lead to financial loss, but can also erode trust in the credit repair industry as a whole. It's vital for consumers to approach credit repair with skepticism, understanding that genuine progress takes time and effort, not empty promises. Always seek a reputable service that prioritizes transparency and realistic outcomes.